Hey yo guys, this is your buddy, Renz Matthew, back again with another video.
Started from a DM, now she wanna see him. If you wanna link, baby, gotta be the weekend. Just follow me.
So for today's video, we will discuss about composition of functions under general mathematics. So let's get it! So what is composition of functions? Let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f composition of g is defined by f composition of g is equal to f of g of x. The process of obtaining the composite functions is called function composition. So, for you to understand it well, I will give you an example. Let's say f of x is equal to 5x plus 3. G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So we will now find f composition of g of x and g composition of f of x. So we all know that f composition of g of x is equal to f of g of x. F of g of x. First, we will need to substitute the value of g of x, which is this one. F of 2x plus 1. Next, this value here will be substituted in the value of f of x. So we will now get 5 and the input is 2x. 2x plus 1. Copy positive 3. Positive 3. Then we need to simplify it. So 10x plus 5 plus 3. Then 5 times 2x is equal to 10x. 5 times positive 1 is equal to positive 5. Copy positive 3. So add these two. 10x plus 8. So this is now the answer of your f composition of g of x. Next, g composition of f of x is equal to g of f of x. Same procedure. Find the value of f of x. So g of 5x plus 3. Then this value here will be substituted in the x of the g of x. So 2 substitute. So we will now have 5x plus 3. Copy positive 1. Then we will now simplify it. 2 times 5x is equal to 10x. 2 times positive 3 is equal to positive 6. Copy positive 1. So these two can be added. 10x plus 7. So this is now your answer of g composition of f of x. Let's have another example. So f of x is equal to 5x squared minus x plus 4. And g of x is equal to 4x plus 5. So we need to find f composition of g of x and g composition of f of x. First, we need to find this. So f composition of g of x is equal to f of g of x. Next is substitute the value of g of x. F of 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. So this input here will be now substituted in the value of f of x. So we have 5 substitute the value 4x plus 5 squared minus substitute 4x plus 5 copy positive 4. Next is this is a square of a binomial, so we need to square it. So 4x squared will be 8x squared and plus 2 times 4x times 5 is equal to 40x. And 5 squared will be 25. And this one also. So here negative 4x plus minus rather 5 copy positive 4. So this one, this area, this 5 can be distributed in this parenthesis. So we have 40x squared plus 200x plus 125. 125. Here, copy 4x, and these two can be simplified. So we have negative 1. To get the answer, we need to simplify it. So 40x squared plus 200x is the same with negative 4x. So we have 196x, and also 125 minus 1 is plus positive 124. So this is your answer of f of g of x. Next, we will find the g composition of f of x. So g of f of x. So the value of f of x. So we need to substitute the value of x. So g of 5x x squared minus x plus 4. So this input here will be substituted in the value of g of x. So 4, substitute the x, 5x squared minus x plus 4, copy positive 5. Okay. Next is distribute this 4 in the parenthesis. So 20x squared minus 4x plus 16. Copy positive 5. So simplify. 20x squared minus 4x plus 21. So this is now your answer in the G composition of f of x. So let's have a last example. F of x is equal to 2x squared and g of x is equal to 5 minus 6x. So we will find f composition of f of x, and g composition of g of x. First, we will find f composition of f of x. So first, these two. So we will now have f of x. Now, let's substitute the value of f of x, which is 2x squared. So we have now f of 2x squared. So the same procedure. This input here will be substituted in the value of x in the f of x. So f of 2x squared. So simplify. 2x squared will be now 4x to the power of 4. So simplify it again. We will now have 8x to the power of 4. Same procedure. Substitute this input. So we have 2 8x to the power of 4 squared. So simplify. 2 64x to the power of 16. So simplify it again. We will now have 128x to the power of 16. So this is your answer of this. Next, find this one. So G, composition of G of X. So we will now have G of X. So substitute the value. G of 5 minus 6 X. So again, same procedure. This input will be substituted in this value. So G of 5 minus 6, the value of X, 5 minus 6 X. So simplify. G of 5 minus 30. Negative 6 times negative 6x is positive 36x. So 5 minus 30 is negative 25 plus 36x. Next, same procedure, substitute. So we will now have 5 minus 6x minus 6, the value of x, negative 25 plus 36x. So now this negative 6 will be distributed. So 5 negative 6 times negative 25 will be positive 150, and negative 6 times positive 36x will be negative 216x. So it can be simplified. So the answer is 155 minus 216x. That is your answer in this G, composition of G of X. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell for more updates. And remember, mathematics is not about numbers, equations, or computations. It is all about understanding. Peace out.